This is the demo video for Team Imperium build. We created Teachers Up Pro, an advanced education system. Our team member Oluwademilade Onosanya is a data analyst and he was the one who helped us with the research. Jane Kedina Imoke is a data scientist and ML engineer who built the models, and Oluwademilade Onosanya is the data and AI engineer who is also the front-end engineer. To use our application, you need to go to teacherhub-pro.org.com, and you can see you can use it for AI lesson generation, seamless scheduling, and teacher collaboration. So I would show you how to use that in a minute. To start, you can click on here to create your account, but I have an account, so I'll click on login. And with this, I would input my username and password. So now I'm logged in already. You can see I'm a mathematics teacher at CDSS Ijebode, that is Command Day Secondary School. I have no classes scheduled for today because today is on a Sunday, and you can see I can create my lesson notes with the lesson note generator, get exam questions, chat with other teachers, and even schedule my classes so I wouldn't miss it. Now you can see my performance overview based on the mock data that was imported into the application. 84% is my class average score. My best student is Jane, and 7 students are missing their assignments. So let's just use a bit of the ready-made tools, which is the lesson note generator. So for that, I can click on any subject I want. Let's say I want to generate computer for GSS2, and the topic is going to be physical or loss hardware in a computer. That's like the lesson topic, and is lasting 2 periods. That's 80 minutes. So the objective is students should be able to learn the different hardware parts of a computer. So I just click on generate structured notes, and with that, wait a bit, and we can see a structured lesson notes. Hardware in the computer is a topic. General goals, specific goals. Specific goals is telling us that they should be able to name at least 5 hardware computers, should be able to classify hardware computers. And we can see our class materials. Set induction. Set induction is how the teacher should start the class. So we have our content that is Nigerian ready according to the NERDC curriculum. So you also have assignments, so you can print out the notes if you want to use the add version, add version, or you can download it as a PDF if you want to use the sub version. So I'll go back to use another feature. The next feature is the exam question setter, which would enable teachers to set exam questions easily using our artificial intelligence. So I will pick on computer mathematics rather, and I'll select class SS3, and our system uses WHEC trained questions to generate questions, and you can include options, or if you want to go difficult on the students, you generate questions with our options. So I would do this right now. Wait a moment, and yeah, we have our generated questions that the teacher can easily use to set. So that's the next feature. We also have our class scheduler. You can click on this, and you can see my next classes. I have class on Monday, GS1, around 8 to 9:20. I also have this is the duplicate. I also have class on Tuesday, 8 to 9:30, GS3 Ruby. So you can add a class schedule using the following, and you can add a schedule. You can also go to a chat room, and we enable this to foster communication and foster teamwork amongst teachers in different schools. So if you have a problem, rather than just jumping straight to asking our artificial intelligence, you can just join a room, ask a question, and your fellow teachers can help you to answer the question. So the part that this is amazing is we are going to train our artificial intelligence on the discussions in these rooms, so our AI gets smarter and gives more realistic advices. So you can go here and you can see there's some chats already. Hello, can you help? Of course. So you can send your message and as well help anyone who is needed. So teachers can now collaborate to share resources to plan together. Okay. So those are some of the features we have that are added to the app. You can go to the hamburger button right here and you can see manage students, which is an upcoming feature where you can add the data of your students and your e-library to take references from books, free books for teachers. So I can click on chat with AI and I can interact with the AI. Can send a simple message of hello and so the AI tutor is geared to guide teachers and it is trained on so many research concerning education in the secondary school level in Nigeria. So it has the knowledge to guide you concerning the students. So I can ask, I have a slow learner in my class that draws me back. How can I effectively get him up to speed? So this is a question for the AI. So the AI was trained again using the research, so it knows it's smarter and it's more knowledgeable. And we plan to train it on data gotten from the chat, so it also knows how to give suggestions like a human would. So this response it can be challenging when you have a slow learner in your class, but it's definitely possible to help them catch up. Here are some of the tailored for Nigerian classrooms. Identify the root cause, academic history, one-on-one sessions, engaging teacher strategy. So these are some of the things you could do